You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more English pronunciation of confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from stripped, is how it is pronounced. This is from the verb to strip. This is not from stripe, okay? If you have only one P, that would be striped. But here, stripped. You have a P sound and a T sound at the end. It's not stripped or striped. No, striped, striped. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. How to pronounce stripped. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.